I had a hell of a time trying to even get a cut. I just put new consumables in that. Table's been sitting for, I don't know, like 3 months now. Couldn't get to fire. One fired blow air. Checked the swirl ring, thought maybe that was in backwards. Nope, that didn't do it. And then I checked the air compressor, and I think it was 65, kind of where I usually run it for this machine. I checked the plasma cutter, it was like 55. I was like, okay. So I went over there, cranked it up, boom, she fired right up. So this is actually the first piece we cut. I didn't cut any test samples. This was the very first piece we did. And I was very impressed because I scaled this down on my table. I think this is like 12 inches wide by about 7. This small stuff for me is very hard to do, and it looks pretty damn good. The only issues we had was there's a couple little marks here, which I knew was probably going to happen if I went this small on the table. Because I mean, pretty much, you know, you see a lot of these are a lot bigger. So if I can open it up, make it bigger, I'll have more room that I can run lead-ins like tangents and stuff. I usually run an arc, and the arc was so close. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna run the perpendicular. Still come up, there was gonna be an issue. Well, there's your issues right there. Those little tiny dots are the problem. But I mean, for the most part, this cut out pretty good. Was it this one? Sorry, I'm trying to look through the camera. One of these, shit, I don't know. No, it was this one. This one got a little bit of a bigger bite at the top, but I mean, it didn't really warp. You saw when I was grinding it. This was up just a little bit. I just pulled it. There's not a lot of support being this style of S10. This is a 3-piece grill. I don't know if I'm selling these yet. Still gotta get my DBA. I do got a company that is gonna be interested in these, and I got a couple more things I need to do first before I show them. But yeah, so thanks for watching this one, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.